everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I am trying a new recipe for today, you guys. I'm actually going to make cauliflower broccoli Alfredo bake. Now I'm also going to tweak it up a little bit, and I'm changing some direction. So this is the very first time I'm making this recipe all together, and this is the very first time that I am making it with chicken too. So what I am doing right now is I'm going to show you guys what I have cooking right now so you guys kind of have an idea, and then I'll show you guys as I add on more ingredients. So right now I am cooking about a whole head of broccoli. I'm having it steam right now, so I'm just letting that cook for a little bit. I have water in there, and then I have it in one of those steamers so we get it nice and soft because I really want some nice soft broccoli. I ended up getting some rice cauliflower. I ended up getting it, all the stuff I got at Aldi's. But I ended up getting some rice cauliflower frozen. Now the direction says to like put it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes until it's fully cooked or whatever. So I've had this in the thing for about 4 minutes. It is a little warm, but it is cold. I think it's fine right now. I might put it in the microwave just a little bit, 1 more minute, but this is everything that you get. And then I'm adding chicken to this. So what right now is I'm cooking the chicken. I just did 1 breast, and it was a very big breast of chicken. And then I just cut it in pieces, and then I just drizzled olive oil on it. So now we're gonna cook this all the way. And then what you guys also need is a pan, and then you need salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to, sorry my phone's ringing, but I am going to get all this stuff started and then show you guys the next step. Okay, so what it did say is it said to add 2 tablespoons to the cauliflower once you let it cook, but since we're microwaving it, so I'm just going to pour a little bit on there, and then I'm just going to pour the rest on the chicken. But let's just stir this up, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for just another minute. You guys could cook this over the stove too if you want, but I'm just doing it a little bit faster. So I'm just going to cook this cauliflower for 1 more minute or 2 until it's like super hot. The broccoli is almost done and the chicken's almost done. And then we're going to add some of the Alfredo sauce and salt and pepper and cheese. So let me get this cooked for like another more minute or 2, and I'll show you guys next. Okay, you guys, so I have the chicken fully cooked. I just let it cook until pretty much all the liquid dried out. So we're just going to pour this in the bowl. I also have the stove preheated to 400 degrees, so we got that. I thought I was going to have a lot of chicken, and this actually does not seem that bad. We're going to add all the broccoli. Sorry, my kids are talking in the background, so we're going to add all the broccoli to it. Now this is something I kind of saw online, and I am tweaking it to my own liking because I just want to try something new, and I've never had cauliflower rice before. So now I had this in the microwave pretty much all warmed up, ready to go. Now you guys could do it over the stove if you got that. Otherwise there is fresh, they do have fresh rice cauliflower. I'm not sure where you can get fresh rice cauliflower, but we got that. I also have a teaspoon or a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper in there. So I'm just going to mix this all together right here. And then we're going to add the Alfredo sauce, and then I'm going to cover it with about 1/2 cup of cheese. And I'm actually liking the way this looks. This is something different, and I'm getting more of my vegetable intake in, which I'm really liking it. So the recipe did call for 1/2 cup of Alfredo sauce. I'm kind of just going to guess. I added about 1/2 cup, maybe a little bit more, but I added that. So we're just going to mix it all up. Actually, this looks like, it looks kind of like a TV dinner to me right here, you guys. Like, it's that crazy. But it looks good. I could have used a smaller pan, which is fine with me. That means it'll just be more thinned out. Looks like kind of mush. I overcooked the broccoli a little bit, but you know what? That's okay. I'm totally cool with that. I forgot to mix up some of this. So just gonna get it all mixed up, ready to go. We're gonna spread this. I'm hoping I get a husband approved thumbs up with this meal. So there is that. And now I'm going to just spread some Parmesan grated cheese on here. I actually grated the cheese myself. And I could probably actually put more cheese on it if I really wanted to. But it's okay. Just going to kind of just spread it all over the place. This reminds me of like a TV dinner, and it was super easy to cook. I was able to attend to my children while this stuff was all heating up. And voila. So now what I'm going to do is put this in the stove for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So let's see what it looks like next. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like after being baking for about 20 minutes. I'm not sure if it's done or not. I'm still going to try it and eat it. I'm going to serve it on a plate and we'll see how it tastes. But otherwise than that, it actually doesn't look too great, but it does smell pretty good. So now let's try it and see how it tastes. Okay, you guys, so we just got done eating dinner and it is husband approved. He even had seconds. He liked it, but I was very proud with this meal. This is probably one of the very first meals that I've actually made kind of on a whim. I also made it very healthy, kind of, and then I just improvised. But this is cauliflower broccoli Alfredo bake with chicken. So hopefully you guys enjoy this meal. It's something new for me to try, and I will definitely be making this again. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you guys made this meal and how you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.